Hello and welcome back to the next part of the Power BI training. And in this training, what we'll do is this will be a short one, and we will just apply some row level security. As you know that in Power BI we can apply row level security based on the logged in user, and we can filter out records, and we can apply some security measures in terms of displaying the data and individually or in a group. So this way we can just enforce some security in terms of the display, and some and the whole report gets filtered out based on the logged in user, if it belongs to a particular group or an individual group. So as we have prepared our data back with salespersons and salesperson's performance, so in this video what we will do is we will apply some individual salesperson's performance level, so that the person who has logged in will be able to only see his performance, or the manager, for example, can see his direct reportee's performance. So this can be done by applying some row level security. So let's get started. Before this video, I've created a simple table, simple two pages, with one page as a table, and I've put up salesperson, sales amount, target, variance, and variance margin. Please refer to the previous videos if you want to create those measures, and you know how you manage this uh, the whole data set. In the second page, it's just a simple air versus pricing, and and the orders as well. So this means that it's just a simple uh, sales and date table versus the sales performance table. So now what we will do is we will switch to the data pane and select the sales performance table. And as you can see, there are this is the salesperson, and different things there. If you see UPN, it's the email address actually, but it generally it's the employee key, and the UPN value has the logged in user. So for example, if someone from this email address will go to the Power BI cloud, uh, so they may able to access the row level security applies to the user level, and it will filter out all the records. So just select this column. For example, if we want to select the for example, in the email address world, we can select Michael Blith. So it's employee number 281. And in the modeling tab, what we'll do is um, we'll go switch to the modeling river. And if you select this, we there is an option of security here, and we can also have the options of security once we select anything that is there in the normal report view. And there's an option called manage roles and view as. So we will click on manage roles. Now we'll select create roles, and from this we will select salespeople. Let's rename this to sales people. And then from this one, we'll select this person performance, and three ellipses. We'll just click on add filter, and then click on UPN. And remember, see it automatically creates a DAX thing. UPN stands for user principal name, that is used in the Power BI cloud. So in this value, we will not hard code it. We will just give the function user principal name. Now we'll click on save, and if we will see that the this role has been created and this filter has been applied based on that. And now we'll go and copy this value of Michael Blith, and then click on view as in the security modeling tab in the security, and then in this we'll check the other user item corresponding to the box. We will paste the email address. Sorry, it's not been copied, so there you go. Michael Blith at adventurework.com. If you click on OK, so see it will show that now viewing as Michael Blith Adventure Works. But if you see that there's nothing happened here, so we'll go back and we'll apply the salespeople update as well. So as soon as we apply, we only will be able to see Michael Blith, and on page 2 it also gives information about only Michael Blith. So if we stop viewing, for example, this will update to the regular one. So it's a simple recap. So what we can do, we will do is we'll just go to manage roles and then select the ellipsis and add filter, and then based on that just write user principal name, and then save, and then click on view as um, salespeople other user. It's just because if you click on salespeople, this means that the logged in user should be salespeople, but other user we are just posting Michael Blith here, and it will work as a the filter is applied on this one. So we'll stop viewing this, we'll just go back and then remove the filter here, clear table filter, and then delete this as well as a role. So we can create multiple roles based on individual tables filters, and individual based on individual uh, columns as well. So for example, if you want to give sales performance plus the region as well to be selected as uh, the group or something like this, that is there to. So what is to be done is that row level security, the first part of the role level security is applied in the manage role, and then we can create a DAX expression, or select the pre-filter expressions to use the roles, and you can also test it by viewing as the the user itself. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.